कम है और कम हाइट है।
मैं ही बैठ जाती हूँ।
आ जाओ बेटा। किधर बैठूंगी? 2 चेयर आ रही
जो ब्रेक करेंगे साइड
और एक सर आप आइए ना।
First question to you is that first question to you is that what is this event all about? Perfect Miss Mumbai 2014.
आज के ज़माने में बहुत सारा टैलेंट है जो शो बिज़नेस में आना चाह रहा है, तो ये एक परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है उनके लिए टू शोकेस द टैलेंट एंड बिकम अ स्टार.
What really made you to organize this kind of event? What is the purpose of this kind of event? Like Perfect Miss Mumbai.
Perfect Miss Mumbai is all about something for young talents. Or like as you know, like we run a publication called Perfect Woman Magazine. So we have been getting many calls from young girls. And अगर known नहीं है तो coverage भी नहीं है. तो उस हिसाब से they always keep on telling, okay ma'am, we are waiting for one chance, we are waiting for one chance. But you know, strugglers never end up. So in that case, this is a platform where we give this opportunity for young talents to come up. And totally raw girls. These girls are not from the background from belonging to a modeling career or something. These are totally raw college girls who will be trained through us. And Pooja, she's going to groom them, train them. तो इस तरीके से हम कुछ टैलेंट्स को बाहर लाएंगे और हम सबसे यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि सब लोग उनको पसंद करें. And we expect them after the finale for our Perfect Miss Mumbai जो declare होगी, she gets good opportunity in the market as well as the other contestants who equally deserve. For them also एक अच्छा platform मिले, उनके लिए openings हो. Openings जो अभी बहुत जकड़ गई है वो ओपन अप हो जाए हर किसी के लिए, हर इंडिविजुअल के लिए. देन लाइक उनको जितना अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा उतना हम लोगों को खुशी होगी. मेरे ख्याल से आपको भी होगी और इनको तो बहुत ही होगी बिकॉज इन्होंने उनको ग्रूम किया है.
So what would be the grooming tips you were providing to all these contestants and all the other participating?
Well, the kind of characteristics or personality traits that we are looking for is definitely somebody who's extremely confident and has a great sense of dressing, can carry off garments with elan, and अगर वो अच्छा बोल सकें, गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैप भी है तो वो एक एडेड बोनस होता है. एंड हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स जिस भी डिपार्टमेंट में लैकिंग है उसके लिए तो मैं हूँ ही to spruce it all up and sort of hone their talent.
Can you just elaborate? What will the duration of this event? It will be running for 10 to 15 days or a month?
This is basically the event. The finale is in the month of April, but we have started the eventual promotions and practices and the confidence with the girls need. उनके लिए हम लोगों ने ये organize the campaigns we have started from today onwards. And now like we will be serving some colleges. We'll take these girls for shows so that their confidence level grows as well. So अभी ये होते रहेंगे मेरे ख्याल से. Our target is basically at least twice a week.
So what kind of support you are getting from the corporate world or media as such?
We've been getting from Okay, we have been getting. रुक जा।
कि जितने भी हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं उन लोगों के पार्टनर्स के जो सीईओ जो मार्केटिंग हेड मार्केटिंग के लोग हैं वो लोग will be the judge for the subtitle round. Finale is not at sunrise but subtitles के राउंड के वही लोग आएंगे, they'll be gifting and they'll be हमारा टारगेट है कि वो लोग उनको कुछ ब्रेक
अगर Panasonic है
इनके पास आंसर सभी रेडी शी इज बीन यूज्ड टू
Okay, no, sir. Just camera. What kind of qualities you'll be looking for the contestant to use with as such?
वेल मेरे ख्याल से आज के यूथ जो एस्पायरिंग मॉडल्स हैं काफ़ी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हैं क्योंकि उन्हें एक मीडियम नहीं मिल रहा अपने टैलेंट को शोकेस करने का, और उसी लिए जो परफेक्ट मिस मुंबई है मैं कहूँगी परफेक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जब वो वॉक इन करेंगे एज फ्रेशर्स उन्हें हम ग्रूम करेंगे, उन्हें हम वो पॉलिशिंग और एज देंगे जिससे वो और कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाए, एंड देन जब पैजेंट होगा विनर्स विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड विल बी एम्ब्रेस्ड बाय वन एंड ऑल, एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट वी होप फॉर. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सरसाइज है यू नो टू ब्रिंग फोर्थ न्यू टैलेंट, good talent. So I'm very excited to be associated with them. And अभी हमारे बहुत सारे auditions भी होने वाले हैं, and I'm on the panel of judges. So I hope that we can pull out some good talent from there. अब ऐसे pageant में सबसे बड़ा challenge ये होता है कि सभी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, सभी बहुत enthusiastic होते हैं, सबको you know एक semi finalist बनना होता है. तो हमारे eye बहुत we have to keep our eye really sharp. Shh, please. We have to keep our eye really sharp. Who's got the edge and all of that. So that, I guess, is a bit of a challenge because everybody is very enthusiastic and all of that. But besides that, it's a great pleasure teaching, you know, people things, because I think it's very fulfilling, very satisfying. So I'm totally looking forward to the grooming sessions, and of course जो हमारा finale होगा वो बहुत ही धूम धड़ाके से होगा, तो उसे होस्ट करने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है.
So what is the minimum and maximum age criteria for participation?
You ask ma'am.
Is there any age criteria?
when we are starting up from the age of 18,
Okay.
from 18 to you can say for 33.
Okay.
Because BA participants, I've been getting it earlier. It was like after 30s, normally girls used to start looking like ammas. But now, if you see the 33 years women who have the girls who have been participating, they're really deceptive. You will not even recognize exactly what is their age.
Okay.
So now girls have started knowing about how to maintain themselves, how to take care of themselves.
Okay.
So this is what we would like to come for the market for everybody as well, so that लोगों को पता चले there's no age requirement.
Okay.
For the fitness, it's the basis your mentality, what you believe in yourself. Because half the mentality, Indians normally we believe, 30s ho gaya, the life is finished. But normally the life starts after 30.
Last question to you. Do you think what kind of confidence level should you be looking for the contestants when they participate in the classes?
Well, I just am looking for girls out there who have fire in them, who have enthusiasm, who have this, will, which no matter how much people try to break, remains, sustains. That's all I'm looking for. The rest, confidence, how to dress, how to talk, well, you know what? I'm on board to take care of all of that.